Thank you everyone for joining me once again. Today in our session we are going to see about modular installation. What is modular installation? Modular installation constitutes an advanced form of prefabrication that can be assembled off-site and installed on-site. Modular installation that include MEP systems enable coordination, provide efficient solution for installation of MEP services. In a nutshell, what is modular installation? So in a conventional practice, after the design is freezed in the site in terms of drawings and coordination, the installation will start in the site on the required location. And after the installation is done, the inspection will go and the commissioning process will start. This process is a time-taking process because the installation of MEP services in the given area need sequence of installation, and this sequence need to be properly coordinated in order to avoid any reworks. So in modular installation, rather than installing the MEP services on the site, these services are prefabricated in a remote place, such as a factory, and then they are transported to the site location and installed in the required place. So we are avoiding lot of waste of time and resource in terms of site coordination, and we are not waiting for structural resources or structural services to finish before we start the MEP services. So modular installation is getting importance in construction as the trend move on, because building information modeling enables the modular installation process in a more efficient manner. The practice of MEP prefabrication provides a feasible alternative to traditional methods. Both MEP components and MEP modules can be manufactured, inspected, labeled, and tested offsite with the plumbers, insulators, HVAC engineers, and electricians. Coordination between trades is finished faster, and so is the installation. So it is highly recommended to proceed with modular installation in all the sites that is possible. Building information modeling. So what is building information modeling? Building information modeling is a process in which the services inside the building are spatially coordinated between each other in such a way that they don't clash each other. They operate cohesively to increase the building efficiency and operation. By doing building information modeling, we can also bring down the price or the cost, because building information modeling will give enhanced data to bring down the unwanted fittings. So building information modeling, or BIM, facilitates the communication between all the parties involved in the project. It is ideal for design coordination, clash reduction, and thereby it comes along with one added benefit, which is the prefabrication planning, which is nothing but modular construction. So like I said in the previous slide, modular construction is nothing but after the coordination process is done, instead of installing the MEP services on site, the MEP services are prefabricated in the factory place, then they are transported and installed in the site. So in the below images, I have mentioned the three stages of modular installation. Stage 1, design phase; stage 2, factory plant; and stage 3 is on-site assembly. So stage 1 is the design phase, in which the building information modeling process is done by using Revit or any other such softwares. After the design phase is done, the model is transferred to the factory plant, where the services are prefabricated, tested by the respective engineers, and transported to the site. So in the stage 3, the transported models are assembled in the site in the required locations by the proper coordinated drawings. The models coming from the factory comes with a tag, which will enable the sequential installation in the on-site. Design phase. This is the phase in which building information modeling process is done. In this stage, modeling coordination between the services involved in the given building will be done, and once the modeling process is done, the drawings will be extracted from the model, and the same drawings will be approved by the consultant or any other professional engineers. And once the drawings are approved as per the building specification and standards, the drawings and models will be used in conjunction to install the services in the prefabrication stage, which is happening in the factory. So this stage is a first stage of the model installation, in which coordination between services are done and drawings are created, and both drawings and model are passed to the prefabrication place, which is the factory. Second phase of modular installation is factory plant. So this is the phase in which the coordinated model as per the building information modeling process will be prefabricated in the site. So this site can be a factory or a place which is near to the on-site location, where all these services can be installed by placing the entire installation in the ground level. So in the conventional practice, the MEP services are installed above ceiling or above the clearance level in such a way that the services are installed or fixed permanently on the correct location as per the drawing. Whereas in the prefabrication practice, the services are installed by placing the entire installation model on the ground. In order to enable the movability of the model, temporary wheels are placed at the bottom of these models. Once these models are prefabricated as per the design drawing and model, the inspection and the stickering and all those conventional inspection practices are done on the factory place itself, where all the test engineers and all the test procedures are done as per the recommended standard. So once all these tests and the recommendations are satisfied, these models are packed and transported to the on-site location, where it will be installed on the final location. The third stage is the on-site assembly. So in this stage, the prefabricated models from the factory are transported to the on-site location and installed on the final place as per the design drawing. So in order to mobilize this model from the tower crane position or the temporary platforms, services or wall structures that are in the path of this modular fabrication has to be held in such a way that they don't obstruct the installation or the transportation of the modular installation. So when we are designing the 4D model for any given building, we have to consider the movability or the transportation of modular installation, so that those installations in the path of this transportation can be erected in the later stage. So this has to be given very much importance. After the modular installation or the modular or the prefabricated models are installed in the site, the connection between the different models are done on the on-site location as per the recommended standard. Once the connections are done, they are tested and uh, inspected by the required professional. In the coming days, model installation will get more importance than ever. So, building information modeling process has to be in such a way that model installation can be enabled at any stages and any construction type of building. Thank you once again for joining me.